You like it?
Almost as much as my Dynamite Kiddo decoder ring.
So you ready to slip into character?
Your card says you're a gorgeous stud muffin / hero. And don't look now, but the woman who loves you more than life is right under your nose.
That is uncanny. Yours says that you are the hero's best friend / soon-to-be lover. But doesn't give me a hint towards the next clue.
Read my lips. There's nobody in here. We're supposed to be looking for clues.
Oh, yeah, but you smell too...
Good. Good, because we're bottling it.
The new Enchantment signature perfume?
Like you've been checking out Zach Slater. We came up with the perfect fragrance.
Yeah. Well, I happen to have a lot more on my mind right now than Zach.
Like what?
Like spending a little time with the woman that I fell in love with. And lucky for me, she just happens to be my wife.
Feels like this room was waiting for us.
Yeah. Well, anything is possible. We proved that.
Why did we make everything so complicated?
I think maybe because it's half the fun of falling in love.
What's the other half?
Finding out that you didn't fall alone.
Brave us. We worked without Annette for so long before we even got married.
Yeah, it's our reward for risking it all.
To working without Annette.